In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contacts list in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place to store and manage all your contacts in one board. First, open your browser, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're in the workspace where you want this list to live so it's easy to find and share later. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the plus icon. This opens the creation menu where you can add new items to your account. From that menu, choose Template Center. The Template Center is a library of ready-made boards designed to save you time and give you best practice structures right out of the box. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type contacts. This narrows the results to all the contact-related templates. You'll see options tailored for keeping names, companies, and communication details organized. Click on the contacts template to open its preview. Take a moment to scan the example layout. You'll typically see columns like name, company, email, phone, and notes, and sometimes a status column for simple categorization. If it looks like what you need, you're in the right place. Now click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board in your account based on that template. Give it a moment to generate, and then you'll be taken straight into your new contacts board. From here, customize your contact list so it fits the way you work. Start by renaming the board to something clear and searchable. If the template includes sample items, feel free to delete them to start with a clean slate. Review the columns and make sure each one is set to the right type. For example, keep the email column as an email type for easy one-click emailing, and ensure the phone column is a phone type so you can click to call or message from compatible devices. Edit column names to match your terminology, add a notes column if you want more context, or include a status or tags column to label contacts as clients, leads, or vendors. You can drag columns left or right to prioritize what you need to see first, and you can rename or regroup sections to reflect how you categorize your contacts. If you prefer a specific order, apply a sort by name so everything stays neat alphabetically. Filters are helpful too. Create one to focus on a certain group or stage and save it so you can switch views quickly. That's it. You've created a structured, customizable contacts list in Monday.com, and it's ready for your team to use and keep up to date.